everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the Thrift Store Makeover Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Jessica from Measure and Mix and Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi. I will leave the link to these channels in the description box, and believe me, it's worth visiting both channels. You will find everything, room makeovers, crafts, DIYs, decor, you name it. So please visit those channels. You will be really surprised. And I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos from the people who are participating in this challenge. As the name of the challenge says, this is about having something that you found at the thrift store and making it look different, giving it a makeover. I found this sign at Goodwill. This is from Dollar Tree. I've seen them there a while ago. I don't know if they still have it. And of course they sell it for $1. I found this for 50 cents. So I didn't like the front, but I bought it anyways, thinking that I would surely be able to do something with it. Well, I came up with an idea. If you know me already, you know that I love repurposing and I love using both sides of every sign I get. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. I started trying to remove this paper. I gave up. But anyways, I finally found out that it's not going to be seen or felt through the paper I'm going to adhere on top of it. And I wanted this base to be white, but after 3 coats, this is what I got, pink, because this is the real color and it's really hard to cover. But anyways, I don't mind. I think that what I have in mind looks good anyways. And what I'm going to do is count down calendars, excuse me, I don't remember. Anyways, you know what I mean. The first one is a Disney countdown calendar. So I'm going to adhere this page here. To make this, I use this scrapbook paper that I already have. Of course, this border is from this other border from the paper, sorry. So I cut the piece to adhere to the border of the piece I cut. Then I have this tag, but I can't use this tag here because I need it to be chalkboard for me to be able to write the days with a chalk. So I use it as a template, and I always have chalkboard self-adhesive paper. I buy it on Amazon, but you can buy it at Walmart and many other places. So using the template, I cut from this piece this tag, and I adhere it to the background paper. Then, using a sticker that I have at hand, I painted with a marker, white marker. This is my favorite one, Bistro Chalk Maker from I think it's Marvi Ushida. Yes, Ushida of America Corporation. So from Marvi Ushida, Bistro Chalk Maker is my favorite one to use on chalkboard paper. I did the tiny dots and the mouse head. Inside the mouse head, I'm going to write the amount of days till our next trip to Disney. I printed this out with my computer. I draw the arrow with a marker as well as the dots, and I am going to stick it on top of the tag. But I want it to have a 3D look, so I'm going to use mounting tape. This is from Dollar Tree also, so I'm going to get a piece of it. Here we go, and another one. As you can see, you don't even need a scissors. So now I'm going to add this little piece of paper, in fact it's cardstock, on top of the tag. Like this. And here I have my sign complete. Now I'm going to add glue. I'm going to use this regular school glue from Elmer's. I painted the borders white and using a brush. Oh, this is too much, I think. Okay. I'm going to spread the glue on this side. The most important thing is to have the borders with a lot of glue. Okay. And now let's add the scrapbooking paper with the tags. And we have our countdown to Disney. And now I'm going to do something similar on the other side. For this side, I planned a countdown till my birthday, which is in October. October 11. You have enough time to go buy a present. So I had this piece of scrapbooking paper, and again I cut with a template, I cut the shape of a heart, also using the chalkboard self-adhesive paper. And then I had these letters that are stickers. I didn't have all the letters I needed in just one type. These are glitter, these are not. I use the letters from both, so you have glitter letters here, regular letter here. I don't mind. I really don't mind. It gives the sign character. So I adhered the heart. Again, using my marker, I painted the dots around the heart. I adhere the letters, and now I'm going to adhere these. These are stickers for scrapbooking. So I'm going to add the word birthday here. Let me see. Here we go. And I want to see if I can add this banner. I haven't tried, so it may not work, but I think it will. Yes, look. I think it looks Great. Wow. Well, I will cut this. Yeah, I have to cut it. I have the scissors here. Perfect. Perfect. So now, again, the only thing that I have to do is to spread some glue. Come on. Here we go. Again, taking good care of the borders. We're almost done. And let's place this here. And this is done. I really love it. It looks better than I thought it was going to look. So I'm really satisfied. So this is my project for this challenge. 2 countdown calendars in one sign, and with my magic words, quick and easy and inexpensive. So I'm more than pleased, and I hope you like them. You know, I think it's something that is really useful. Oh, I love it. I'm in love with my sign. Okay, forgive me. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and ring the bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Usually on Mondays, except when there is a challenge, because the host of the challenge is the one who decides the day to upload the videos. That's why this is uploaded. This was uploaded today. Please visit the hostesses channels. Sorry. Thanks to both of them for hosting the challenge, and also visit the playlist and watch the videos, because usually the participants in these challenges are awesome, very creative, very, very creative. I get a lot of inspiration from them. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching all of my videos, for your comments. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.